Question number 23. A sum of money lent at simple interest amounts to rupees 4,745 in 3 years and 5,475 in 5 years. Find the sum and rate percent per annum. So again you have to find rate of interest, and amount of 3 years and 5 years is given. So the difference of their amount will give us simple interest of 2 years. So first of all we can write amount in 5 years. It is rupees 5,475. Amount in 3 years is equals to rupees 4,745. So the difference of amount in 5 years and 3 years will give you simple interest for 2 years. So simple interest for 2 years is equals to amount of 5 years minus amount of 3 years. So amount of 5 years 5,475 minus amount in 3 years is 4,745. So if you subtract this, it will come 730. Now this is simple interest for 2 years. Now the data, we have this data for either for 3 years or 5 years. So I will calculate this simple interest for 3 years. So simple interest of 2 years is 730. So simple interest for 1 year is equals to 730 divided by 2, and simple interest for 3 years is equals to 730 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. So it will come 0.973 over 2, and if you cut this it will come 1095. So simple interest for 3 years is 1095 rupees. Now we have the data of amount of for 3 years. So we can find principal of 3 years by using simple by subtracting this simple interest from amount. So we have formula amount is equals to principal plus simple interest. So principal amount is equals to amount minus simple interest. Amount for 3 years, amount of 3 years is 4,745 minus simple interest is 1,095. So if you subtract this, it will come 3650. It will come 3650. So this is the principal amount. This is the principal amount. Hence you can write hence principal is rupees 3650. Now you have to find rate of interest. So for this you have formula of simple interest. It is PRT over 100. So you have to find rate of interest. So rate of interest is equals to simple interest multiplied by 100 divided by principal and time. So simple interest for 3 years is 1095 multiplied by 100. Principal amount is 3650, and time, here time is 3 years. We are calculating this data for 3 years. So you can cut 0 with 0. You can divide this 1095 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, and it is 3 3s are 9, 1 9 19, 3 6 are 18, 1 5 5 15, and now you can cut 365 with 365. So from here we will get R is equals to 10. So you can write hence rate percent per annum is 10%. So this is the answer of question number 23 from exercise